Hello friends, welcome to yet another video at Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. Friends, first of all, wish you all happy Diwali. May this festival of light bring peace, prosperity, good health and all the success in your life. Friends, in this channel, we are bringing you all the latest government job updates in finance domain every week. So let's begin. Friends, the first vacancy for which a finance graduate can also apply is for the recruitment of 80 vacancies at Indian Council of Medical Research. Friends, here the recruitment is for Assistant Group B. Friends, the educational qualification asked is bachelor's degree in any discipline and working knowledge of computers. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years and the place of posting would be Chandigarh. It's a permanent post and friends, you don't need to have any experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the package would be 6.85 lakhs gross and you have to apply online by 3rd December 2020. Next vacancy is for the recruitment of 18 posts of junior assistant by IIT Delhi. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is bachelor's degree with at least 55%. The upper limit is 27 years. It's a permanent post and the place of posting would be New Delhi. And friends, here again you don't need to have an experience to apply for these vacancies. The package would be 4.40 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 27th November 2020. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below. So those who are interested can directly click there and apply for their jobs. Moving on, next vacancy is from UPSC for the recruitment of 2 posts of accounts officer. Friends, the place of posting here would be New Delhi and it is a post on deputation. That means those who are already in government service are eligible to apply. Friends, here educational qualification asked this, those who have passed SAS exam, that is subordinate account services exam, or who have completed Institute of Secretariat Training and Management Training are eligible to apply. Friends, the upper limit is 56 years and there are 2 posts. Friends, the experience would be those who are holding analogous post or having 2 years of experience in level 8 of 7 CPC. The package would be 10.5 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline by 7th December 2020. Moving on, next vacancy is from National Sanskrit University for the recruitment of finance officer. Friends, here educational qualification asked is master's degree with at least 55%. Friends, upper limit is 57 years and the place of posting would be Tirupati. Friends, it's a permanent post or it would be a deputation post depending upon the applicant. Friends, experience asked is 15 years in academic level 11 as assistant professor or 8 years in academic level 12 at associate professor. Even 15 years of admin experience will also be counted. Friends, in the advertisement they have also mentioned that comparable experience in research establishment or under Institute of Higher Qualification experience will also be counted. The package for this post would be 26.85 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline by 16th November 2020. Moving on, next vacancy is from Institute of Banking Personnel Selection for the recruitment of law officers at Scale 1. Here friends, the educational qualification asked is bachelor's degree in law and enrolled as an advocate with Bar Council. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years and there are total 50 vacancies and there will be all India postings. Friends, the nature of employment is permanent and you don't need to have an experience to apply for these posts as well. Friends, the package would be 4.5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online from IBPS websites by 23rd November 2020. Moving on, next vacancy again from IBPS for the recruitment of marketing officer at Scale 1 specialist officer post. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is graduate and MMS, that is Master in Management Strategies, then MBA Marketing or Post-Graduation Diploma in Business Analytics or Post-Graduation Diploma in Business Management or Post-Graduation Program in Management or Post-Graduation Degree in Management with specialization in Marketing. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years and there are total 60 vacancies and it would be all India basis. Friends, it's a permanent post. Again, there is no experience required for this post also. The package would be 4.5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 23rd November 2020. Moving on, next vacancy is for the recruitment of section officer accounts by Noida Special Economic Zone. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is again passed SAS exam, that is subordinate account services exam, or the applicant should have completed ISTM training, that is Institute of Secretariat Training and Management Training. Friends, the upper limit is 46 years, it's a 1 vacancy post and the place of posting would be Noida. Friends, it's a post on deputation. That means those who are having experience of holding analogous post or 3 years in scale of 5,000 to 8,000 or equivalent are eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 6.85 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline to Noida Special Economic Zone by 7th December 2020. Next vacancy is for recruitment of 30 posts of front desk officers at the Gujarat State Cooperative Bank Limited. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is graduation with 50%. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years and the place of posting is Ahmedabad. Friends, it's a permanent post and you don't need to have an experience for applying for this vacancy. The package would be as per industry norms as applicable in banking industry. Friends, you have to apply offline by 21st November 2020. Next vacancy again from the same bank for the recruitment of senior manager or assistant manager or senior officer banking. Friends, here educational qualification is a graduation degree. Friends, for as far as age limit is concerned, for senior manager the upper limit is 45 years, while for others such as manager, assistant manager, senior officer banking, the upper limit is 40 years. Friends, there are total 34 vacancies and the place of posting would be Ahmedabad. Friends, it's a permanent post and for senior manager you need to have 12 years of experience, for manager 10 years, for assistant manager 8 years, and for senior officer banking you need to have 5 years of experience. Again friends, the package would be as per industry norms applicable in banking industry. Friends, you have to apply offline by 21st November 2020. Next vacancy is from Manohar Parrikar Institute of Defence Studies and Analysis for the recruitment of one post of junior assistant accounts. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is commerce graduate with minimum 50%. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years and the place of posting would be New Delhi. Friends, it's a permanent post and you need to have 5 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline by 1st December 2020. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of one post of junior accounts officer at New Delhi. Friends, educational qualification asked is commerce graduate with minimum 60%. Friends, here the upper limit is 45 years, it's a permanent post and you need to have 10 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 6.85 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline by 1st December 2020. Moving on, next vacancy is from MSME Technology Development Center, formerly known as FFDC, that is Fragrance and Flavor Development Center, for the recruitment of one post of accountant. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is a commerce graduate. Friends, the age limit is 32 years and the place of posting would be Kannauj. Friends, it's a contractual post and you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. The package would be 6.2 lakhs gross. It's an offline mode of application to be done by 7th December 2020. Moving on. Friends, a gentle reminder, those who have applied for SEBI Officer Grade A exam, please visit financemcq.in where the entire SEBI Grade A exam technical syllabus of general stream is brought in MCQ format. Friends, here more than 2000 subject-wise, topic-wise MCQ questions are presented for you to practice. Apart from this, their explanation is also added for correct answers wherever required. Not only this, the website is also presenting 25 national level test series covering the entire technical syllabus for more and more practice. Moving on, next vacancy is from the Visakhapatnam Cooperative Bank Limited for the recruitment of 30 probationary officers or assistant managers. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is first class graduate from recognized university. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years and the place of duty would be Visakhapatnam. Friends, it's a permanent post and you don't need to have an experience to apply for these vacancies. The package would be 4 lakh gross and you have to apply online before 30th November 2020. Moving on, next vacancy is from Bank of Baroda for the recruitment of digital sales officer and the educational qualification here is graduate degree. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. There are 3 posts and you will have to work at Mumbai. Friends, it's a contractual post and you need to have 5 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the CTC cost to company basis will be as per market benchmarks and you have to apply online by 30th November 2020. Moving on, next recruitment is again from Bank of Baroda for the recruitment of 2 posts of digital risk specialist at Mumbai. Friends, here the education qualification asked is 2 years PG degree with specialization in finance or economics or statistics or mathematics from institute. Friends, the upper limit is 45 years and it's again a contractual post and you need to have 10 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the package would be CTC basis as per market benchmarks and friends, you have to apply online before 30th November 2020. Next vacancy again from Bank of Baroda for the recruitment of one post of digital analytics specialist at Mumbai. Friends, educational qualification asked is a graduation degree with specialization in finance, economics, statistics or mathematics from a institute. Friends, the upper age limit is 40 years. It's a one vacancy post and again a contractual post. Here you need to have 6 years of relevant experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, again the package and mode of application last date is also same as shown in the previous slide. So that's all for this week, friends. I hope the video was useful. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's see you all next week with all the latest updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.